Spell magic. Some believe spell magic is nonsense. I have been performing spell magic for years and have found it to be a very beneficial practice. Some believe spell magic. People have performed the spell magic for centuries, believing they are the way to success, power, money, love, health, anything they want to achieve or improve. But why? Even today, people turn to spells for various reasons when they cannot change their lives independently. They'll even try to harness the power of magic spells to dissuade their enemies or discourage the attraction of negative people in their lives. Some people believe that magic has more to do with spiritual growth, and some believe it is actually about attaining superpowers. Even so, the most widely held form of casting magic throughout all cultures is using magic spells. If you're considering finding out more about spells of magic to improve your life, first pinpoint your desires. 1. Are you looking for financial stability? 2. Do you want to improve your health and have more energy and physical strength? 3. Do you want to have more control over your circumstances? 4. Are you tired of being mistreated and bullied? 5. Have you been letting negative people influence your life? 6. Do you want an improved love life? The good news is that you'll find spells of magic that are said to treat all of the questions. The following information will help you better understand various magic spells and their powers. More about spells of magic. Magic spells can be cast for various reasons, both good and bad. Some require conviction only, while others require a wide range of ingredients and mantras. Some spells of magic are associated with specific religions or cults, and some are available for anyone to cast on their own. They have stemmed from early religions, but lately are, for the most part, associated with pagans and the Wicca. The spells they cast range from love spells to spells that have an extensive range of effects, some of which involve making someone jealous, others involving sexual or erotic desires, some calling out a person's true feelings and making them show honesty, some committing a person to obsession, and others simply making one person attracted to another. Health-related spells of magic. Health-related magic spells can cure sickness, improve your immune system, and heal wounds. There are also health-related magic spells that have negative results and are believed to cause illness and even death. Life spells of magic. Life spells of magic can make someone pregnant, change their career, build confidence, get revenge, make someone fertile or infertile, grant them great wealth, or ruin their marriage. There is a spell for every situation. While many require specific types of wood, symbols, or personal items from the person casting or having the spell cast on them, some only require the right mantra to deliver life-changing results. We've just touched on a few of the thousands of available spells of magic that have been practiced for centuries. Their powers have given way to other ancient mystic practices, such as tarot card reading, numerology, and studying the meaning of our dreams or telling the future. Many of these practices are still around today, but magic spells will always captivate our population, even for those who aren't sure we believe in the power of all these intriguing spells. Should you wish any help with spelling work, please leave your comments below. Till such time, merry part.